Constant severe daily anxiety and panic attacks sounds terrible. If this were me, I would be looking for something that is natural, no toxic side effects, not habit forming, hella effective, and relatively inexpensive. Enter homeopathy. It's not home remedies. So for panic attacks, I would reach for Aconitum napellus in a 200C. It might say CK, CH, doesn't matter. 200C is what I'm looking for. I'd get it at Sprouts or at Amazon. And when I feel a panic attack coming on, I would pop one pellet under my tongue and wait to see what effect that has on my panic attack, how long it takes for me to resolve that panic attack. I might only need one dose. When my symptoms get better, I stop taking it. If it still hasn't resolved after 15 minutes, I might take another dose. If after that dose, I feel like it's getting better, then I can stop taking it. The body is on the healing path. As I start taking aconite for my panic attacks, I might find that either I have less panic attacks or my panic attacks become less severe. If I feel like managing my panic attacks is enough, then I'll just keep with the aconite. If I wanted to really try to uproot my panic attacks, I would contact a professional homeopath to get to the root issue. I would see what taking aconite for my panic attacks would do for my general anxiety. If I find that my anxiety is staying the same regardless of the panic attacks, I might look at another remedy to help with general anxiety. I personally really like gelsenium for anticipatory anxiety. There's another remedy called Argan nitricum, which is also good for general anxiety. Every time I look to buy a homeopathic remedy, I make sure that it says homeopathic remedy and that it's got this HPUS on there. Brian actually is a great brand. They're made in France. They're readily available. I also remember the law of minimum dose. Once my body starts to feel better, I stop taking the remedy. I know that if I keep taking the remedy when I don't have any symptoms, therefore my body doesn't need it, that I might induce an artificial state of that issue. If I did take too many doses when I didn't need to, and I induced that artificial symptom state, I know that it's not harmful and I just need to smell some really strong peppermint and I can antidote that effect. Now, wouldn't I think something this amazing would cost like $70? It's like $10. Mind blown? Follow for more homeopathy tips.